I thought you'd have fangs or horns or something.
I had them filed down.
Hi there, this is Borsey Crafts. Let's make a Netflix-themed Google Slides presentation together. Let's get started. For the first slide, let's create a play button to make it look like you're playing a video. Next, for the second slide, let's add the Netflix opening to give it that authentic feel. To do this, drag and drop the Netflix opening GIFs from your computer and adjust it to fill the full screen. If you're wondering how to download or create GIFs, I'll show you how at the end of the video. Next, I'm going to add a shape, expand it to fill the entire screen, and change its color to black. I'm going to add the word delay. It doesn't have to be text. You can just use small shapes instead. Animate the delay text with a fade-in effect for 3.7 seconds. It has to be exactly 3.7 seconds for the Netflix opening. But if you're using a different opening, you'll need to adjust the timing. Now let's animate the black shape to appear after previous. Basically, the delay text controls when the black shape appears. Add a new slide. Now let's create the Who's Watching screen on this slide. For those wondering how to get the smile profile image, I just searched Netflix profile on Google and took a screenshot. Or you can use a picture of a friend, family member, teammate, or your favorite character instead. Let's group all the elements except the background, then copy and paste them onto the second slide. Next, let's add a fade-in animation. The third slide was just for creating the profile elements, so we don't need it anymore. Go ahead and delete it. Now I'll show you how to insert the sound. Go to your Google Drive and upload your MP3 file. Go back to your presentation, then go to Insert, Audio, and select the MP3 file we just uploaded. I'm just going to move the audio location a little bit to the top right. Set the audio playback to automatically and select hide icon when presenting. Doo-doo, easy. For the third slide, let's make the Witcher preview screen. In this video, I'm creating a The Witcher themed presentation, but there's so much more potential. You can switch it up with another TV show, or even go for a completely different theme like Disney, Nintendo, Minecraft, or any of your favorite franchises. The possibilities are endless. Drop a comment with what you think I should make next, and I'll create the one that gets the most likes. Let's change the background color to black because background color will show before the image fades in. Let's group all the text and give fade-in animation to the background image. I'm giving the same fade-in effect to the text too. I'm doing the effects separately just because it looks cooler that way, nothing else. For the last slide, we're going to add a video directly from YouTube. To do so, go to Insert, Video, and search Witcher trailer. You can pick one of the video from the search tab or just copy and paste the URL directly from YouTube. Let's insert the Witcher main trailer, the one uploaded by Netflix. I personally prefer the official trailer because the Netflix logo at the bottom gives it that legit look. Let's set the video to play automatically and adjust the start and end time to fit better with the slide. And this is the final look. I'll leave the Google Slides template link in the description. Just make sure to make a copy in your drive before editing. I spent hundreds of hours to brainstorm, edit, and make this template and tutorial. So if you found this helpful, please like this video. It really means a lot. Bonus: for those wondering how to add a GIF for sound, here are some tips. To get a GIF, go to Giphy or Tenor. There are tons of great options. Just right-click and download the GIF you want. If you can't find a specific one, like the Netflix opening, head over to YouTube and start a screen recording. I'm using my phone, but you can totally use your PC screen recorder if you want. Adjust the time and size to what you need. Then search Giphy GIF Maker, upload your screen recording, and download your custom GIF. Now for audio, just search MOV to MP3 and click on the first site that pops up. Upload your video and it'll let you download an MP3 version of the audio. Hope that helps.